there's a tuna.
No, there's a mackerel.
Those ones right there?
Oh, which ones are the mackerel then?
There's no mackerel in here. Oh, there might be. Those might be them over there. Because they're different down there. Those are all sardines, to my knowledge.
Those big ones are tuna. Isabel, look at this one. Oh my goodness. He's a big guy.
There he is, way in the back.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Well, there's this thing, right? But look at him.
Look at that fish. Look at this one coming at him.
The turtle is very big.
Get him, Nate.
Sea turtle.
It's a sunfish. They eat jellyfish.
I want to get him.
Look at here, Vega. Here he comes.
They eat jellyfish. They get
Look how big
huge.
he's bigger
A lot
than
bigger than that. Yeah, they'll grow up to 10 feet. But they're measured from fin tip to fin tip rather than...
What?
Those ones there, they get 10 feet.
Yeah.
I wonder how often the hammerhead is chasing around these fish, and if he ever catches one.
Look how fast. Oh my goodness.
Alright, they just lost their minds. Something had eaten.
Yeah, something happened.
Uh-oh. She just said, no. No. You would listen to me now. Here comes the shark, Isabel.
It's a shark. Big shark. It's a hammerhead shark.
Look at this one here. He looks like he wants to take a bite out of you.
Oh, wow. Give him a kiss, Isabel.
Where is he?
He's right there. Maybe he went down.
Those tuna. You don't realize how big a fat a tuna is until you see one like that. I think the tuna are attacking the sardines. I think those ones there are... oh, here's the hammerhead right there. This might replace dancing as Isabel's favorite movie to watch.
This one is so cool. Looks like he's a shell. Isabel, you want to go to the seahorse then?
It's prehistoric or something.